Hello everyone. Quick video today. Price has slumped. Price of Bitcoin has gone down a little bit. It did dip below 38,000 into like the 37,000 range or something like that. And you know, the video that I made yesterday, I pointed out a whole bunch of metrics as to why Bitcoin is, why there's a lot of activity going on that is, you know, not regarded to the price. A couple of additional factors that I forgot to mention is that, you know, Bitcoin is still the ninth largest asset in the world. You know, gold still being number one at 12 trillion, but holding strong above Berkshire Hathaway and below Tesla. So it's clearly not going anywhere. And also, I believe I spoke about the hash rate and it just having recently hit a new all-time high of, I believe what I said was 223 exahashes, but it looks like just a few days ago it hit 250 exahashes, so even higher than when I last reported it to you. But along with this comes the difficulty adjustment, which is also has just recently hit an all-time high. Today it reached a 29.79 T. I don't know what T stands for, but it's at the Bitcoin difficulty adjustment is at an all-time high at nearly 30 T, whatever T stands for. So lots going on there. And then, you know, also behind the scenes, whales, large wallets with, you know, 10,000 to 100,000 Bitcoin or something other like that are continuing to add. And this was a few days ago, the 26th, today's the 30th. That they were adding during that dip when it went below 40,000. Yeah, between the 39 to 38.3, and it went below. We're below 38.3 right now. So I can only assume that large wallets with, you know, 10 to 100,000 Bitcoin are continuing to accumulate more Bitcoin. So an additional bullish metric, the bull, that you can see right there. And then moving on, something that's also happened today. So look at this chart. This is the Ethereum gas price. So what it costs to transact with Ethereum. And today it did something that it's never quite done. You see these tiny little spikes, and people, you know, probably freak out about that. But this is unimaginable. Like, it went from roughly, you know, 29, you know, 30 Gwei or whatever it is, up to over 5,000, 4,700 on the low end, and over 6,200 on the high end. The only reason why I saw this is because I saw it on Twitter, and it was costing people like thousands of dollars to do transactions. And I guess they must just be rolling in, you know, in Gwei or ETH because, you know, I guess they had to do the transactions. They had to put them through. So that just is like the cost of using Ethereum, which is supposedly like the second largest. It is the second largest coin, but it's like supposedly supposed to be this platform for decentralized apps and, you know, as a foundation for other coins to be built upon. And for whatever reason, it has, I believe it's a DDoS attack that it's going under right now. But it's just the transaction fees for Ethereum are unsustainable at the moment, and they don't seem to have gone back down at the current time of video recording. So not too excited about that if you hold ETH. And then lastly, also when searching for this, it was almost so funny because Solana currently is another large, you know, Ethereum type coin or something like that. I don't know anything about Solana. It's just I hear it a lot, but it has gone out. And when searching for, I was trying to find a news article about, this is like an actual status website of Solana. It's like on their actual official website. But I was searching for like a news article of somebody mentioning that Solana had gone out today, and I found like 3 or 4 additional articles of Solana having gone down. So I thought that was funny. Like these coins just don't work occasionally, and people think that's okay. Like, that's not okay. Like, your coin needs to work or it doesn't work. It either works or it doesn't work. So, Bitcoin continues to work and has not stopped working. So that's what I stick with.